Welcome to 201 North 19th Street in Flagler Beach, Florida. This stunning property, a blend of modern design and expansive outdoor space, offers an unparalleled beachside living experience. Just a stone's throw from the sandy shores and the rolling waves of the Atlantic, it epitomizes the dream of a life by the sea. Here, the outdoor lifestyle beckons with endless possibilities. From morning walks along the beach to evenings in the spacious backyard, each day is a celebration of coastal living. This large property, nestled in a serene setting, is a gateway to a lifestyle where the beach isn't just close. It's a part of your everyday lifestyle. As you enter, the kitchen greets you with its sleek granite countertops and custom cabinetry, a perfect space for culinary creations and gatherings. The adjoining living area, with its expansive vaulted ceilings, exudes an open and airy feel, inviting relaxation and easy beachside living. Step outside to discover a backyard that echoes the tranquility of nearby beaches. This private oasis is tailored for enjoying Florida's sun-drenched days and gentle ocean breezes. In the master and guest bedrooms, comfort and peace are paramount, providing serene retreats after days spent on the nearby sands. Ending with a view towards the ocean, this home reminds you that the beach is not just a destination, it's a lifestyle. At 201 North 19th Street, every day is a beach day, with coastal pleasures just a stroll away. Here, the blend of modern amenities and proximity to the beach creates the perfect setting for your Flagler Beach life.